Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently purchased a Luminous Inverter or battery system, registering it for warranty is important for paperless coverage, faster service support and easier future claims. So in today's video, I will show you the updated 2026 process in order to register your Luminous Inverter warranty quickly and correctly. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of Luminous India. Now, when you are here on the warranty registration page, you just have to scroll down a bit and you need to take a look at this paperless warranty option. Now, over here, you need to register your product by providing all of these details first. So you need to provide your first name, then your email ID. After that, simply enter your 10-digit mobile number, provide your address, PIN code, city, and then you need to enter the 14-digit serial number. When you scroll down a bit, you will see this button that says choose image. So you need to also upload the proof of purchase. So after providing this detail, click on the option of submit in the bottom. So when you submit your information, your registration will be successful, and then you will be able to gain access to your digital warranty records, your service bookings, repair requests and customer support. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.